First, open Ideogram AI and sign in to your account. If you want to use Ideogram AI like a professional, start by understanding that good results come from more than simply entering a prompt and clicking generate. Begin by planning your project. Decide what you want to create, where you will use it, and what visual style you want to maintain. Next, write a structured prompt. Describe the main subject first, then add the environment, composition, lighting, colors, typography, and overall style. Generate multiple variations instead of choosing the first result. Compare them carefully and look for the version with the strongest composition, clearest details, and best overall visual quality. If an image is almost perfect but needs a small change, use the available editing, remixing, or image-based tools instead of starting completely from scratch. You can also experiment with different models, aspect ratios, and style settings available in your account. For professional projects, consistency is extremely important. If you're creating several graphics for the same brand, campaign, video, or product, use similar colors, visual language, typography, and composition across your prompts. Another useful habit is to organize your creations. Keep important images and variations grouped by project so you can easily find them later. Before publishing any AI-generated design, inspect it carefully. Check faces, hands, objects, logos, text, proportions, lighting, and other important details.